These are the 6 most surprising bird sounds on the planet. Number 6, the shoebill. It sounds like a machine gun. Number 5, the Bali Myna. Its call is as gentle as its feathers. Number 4, the bird of paradise. A call as strange as its dance. Number 3, the golden Oriole. One of the cleanest, most musical bird calls in the world. Number 2, the Capuchino. A whistle so sharp, it cuts through the entire forest. And number 1, the Cassowary. The lowest sound any bird can make. You can literally feel it in your chest. Which one surprised you the most?